Hi guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy. I have put LED lights from Eagle Lights on my 2018 Indian Chieftain and my 2012 Harley Road King. Now my last bike I have to do is my 2011 Kawasaki Concours. Now Eagle Lights sent me their Infinity Beam H4 headlight to check out. So let's check it out. It comes in a box like this, one headlight per box. So you can see here it's a simple plug and play. So all I gotta do is unhook the wire harness from my original light, take it out, plug this one in, and then hook this into the wire harness, and I'm ready to go. So let's go out and see what they look like. Now this is how the old bulb looks. And this is the Eagle Light Infinity Beam H4 LED bulb. As you can see, the Infinity Beam H4 LED bulb is much brighter. This is how it looks with both Infinity Beam H4 bulbs installed. There's a lot more light in front of the bike, which makes it easier for you to see and to be seen. What I like about the Infinity Beam H4 headlight is that it's a simple plug and play, they're brighter than a stock headlight, and they provide a night and day difference in performance. Now also, there's less strain on your battery and more light on the road. And they have a lifetime LED warranty. I have partnered up with Eagle Lights to help riders light up their bikes and have a better chance of being seen. So if you need to add LED lights to your bike, click on the link in the description below and you'll get 15% off your entire order. Now, until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.